Next product. So Purina, Fancy Feast, Purely, Hand Flake, Tuna, Meaty Cat Treats. Same. Natural Hand Flake, Tuna Treats. Yeah.
Yes, same.
And Stay Fresh Packs. Yeah, same. So 1.06 ounce. Yeah, 1.06 ounce. Okay, same, right?
Correct.
Same products. So this one is this one is a 10 count per pack. And this one is same. So 10 count pouches, okay? So the cost is what wait, what? Wait a minute. So 5? Is it 5? So 5 pouches, right?
Correct.
So 5 of these is so 5 times 3.49. You guys got it?
Yep.
This one is a 10 pack, right? So 10 pieces per pack. But on Amazon, they're selling a 5 pack. Got it? It also says here. So here it says 50 count. This was kind of complicated for the new sellers, but so this one is 10.
Yeah, because I'm lost. Like, okay, it's 10 count pack, but what a 5?
Right. So if you look
Lost.
at the listing, this one is 50 count, right?
Okay.
And this one is 10 count. Which
So I
means
have to buy 5 of those?
correct. So 3.49 times 5, right? Got it?
Yeah.
Yep.
So the cost is 17.45. ROI is low. It's at 4%. Yeah, it's too low. Let me see. This one has 200 sales a month. So good, right?
Correct.
I
You see.
mean, this one's interesting because the first 3 sellers, right, are 4%. But then here it goes up to 14%. And then 18 and then 19, all the way to like 38. You guys see it?
Yes.
And then if you look at Keepa, that's a problem too.
Yeah, dropped.
So Amazon was on this listing briefly, and then they left, right? And then now we're here again. So this one I would consider risky because right now the price is, I mean, high, right?
Correct.
But then again, Amazon could go back to the listing and then drop the price at $17. What do you guys think?
No.
Who's that? Carolyn?
Yeah, I say no.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I agree.
How about you
Negative.
guys? Everyone else?
Nope.
No? Yes, no, maybe?
No.
So no, right? Too risky. So no. Amazon used to sell for $17. Next product. So Conair. So same model. So B6. Same product? I don't think so. Those Q. So this one is model number is 571873. So I guess I can copy this too. And then look for this model number. And then it also has a skew. No. Are these the same, ladies? No, right? Because this one is saying this, and then here it's saying this. Unless I'm wrong. Because they look the same.
They look the same to me.
I think they're the same.
Are they really? Okay.
Look wise they are.
And they're the same inches.
Correct. I'd
Yeah,
say
it's the
yes.
same.
Yeah, it's not really saying any model number here either. So I mean it looks the same to me. So 9.78 is a cost.
Mm-hmm.
9.78. Okay. So ROI is 12%. Sales per month is about 154.
Mm.
Wow, there's a lot of people there.
Yes, to me.
So 154 sales a month, right? With all these people here. Would you guys do it?
No.
Yeah, too many people, right?
Yeah, and it's
Right.
not a big enough return.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, too many people.
So what would be, like if 10 people or more sell it, leave it alone?
No, it just depends. You gotta gauge it almost because it also depends on their inventory.
He's got 30.
But if you go to the lowest price, of course they're gonna buy from you.
Right here?
So
You mean?
22.36.
You have to make sure it met.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, yeah. So if you price yourself here,
Mhm.
you would get the sale. Yeah, most likely yes.
They're most likely gonna get the sale.
Right.
So if I go lower than that, maybe a
Mm,
penny down lower, I'm gonna get the sale, right? So
right.
does it really matter how many people selling it?
It does because it becomes a race to the bottom because
It
everyone
becomes
wants to get the sale.
Oh,
Yeah, so it's better to just stay away from like products like this because there's so many sellers on it.
okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you don't want to be stuck with this product, you know. Yeah. Let me see. So Randy said you can also use Weiner's LTD to get ungated in groceries and OTC. Nice, okay. Let me type it. Thanks, Randy. So Weiner LTD. For grocery and OTC? Okay, for grocery. OTC, okay. You guys seeing the chat? So Brandy said we can use this website to get ungated with grocery and OTC. Thanks, Brandy.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so this one, too many sellers.